Flood control barrier. Easy to install on the flat land, such as asphalt or cement ground. Movable assembly water shield. Morris flood control barrier. With lightweight and fast installation, quick respond is available in case of flood and waterlogged disasters. Secure the connecting hooks at the bottom and simply lift and secure the locking device on both tops. Easy installation is complete. Morris flood control barrier is essential for underground parking lots of all buildings. In case of an electric vehicle fire, it can be used as an instant water tank to cool down the burning battery, a must-have item for car firefighting. Not only the straight type, but also the inner curve and outer curve types for determining the direction of the waterway. Not just an L shape, but the left and right adjustment plates that completely block the threshold of the left and right curbstones in the underground parking lot. It is the world's first made patented product to be introduced as a full set. With L-type frame structures and circular designed resistance structures, the Morris flood control barrier is not pushed back by high flow rates and hydrostatic pressure. It has 5 cm higher intaking water height than other products, and it is 10% increase of intaking water volume. EVA non-slip pad, which functions as an adherent and prevents slippery, and self-developed waterproof sponge EPDM, which enhances the water blocking performance between the product's joint and the floor, are attached. The Morris flood control barrier, made of high-quality ABS material with excellent impact resistance, enables quick and easy installation with its lightweight design and a handle at the top of the product. We can form water tanks of various sizes, even on the electric vehicle fire suppression, allowing efficient responses tailored to each vehicle. Morris flood control barrier holds the largest delivery records in Korea, including Seoul, Incheon, Busan, Shinsegae Department Store, E-Mart, Starbucks, apartment complexes, and KRA. More than 90% cheaper than fixed water stops and potentially a permanent solution. The Morris flood control barrier, including functions for flood and inundation preparedness, as well as a water tank for suppressing electric vehicle fires. The Morris flood control barrier is the first fully world-made patented product set. Saving nature, saving lives. Insisting on producing only environmentally friendly products, Morrisnco manufactures.